Hey my little stars, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on this look here. It's quite a dramatic look. It's a real sort of smoky eye, a little bit of shimmer through there, lots of highlighter and a bold red lip. If this is a look you'd like to see, then please stay tuned. If you do like today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Yeah, get comfy, get cozy, and I hope you enjoy today's video. To start off, I'm going to go in with my Tartiest Pro palette by Tarte, this one here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this shade here, this shade, let's vamp, and I just want to pack that all over the lid. You don't really want to bring this up too far, it's just on the lid, and then just sort of go in with a fluffy brush on the edges and just check it's all blended out fine, but not like out too much. Literally just soften the edges by going up and over. We're going to go in with the shade Drama, which is a deep purple here. These are all matte shades as well, so I'm going to go in with that shade and I'm going to blend that in the crease. I'm going to start on the outer edge and go blend in through the crease. There is quite a bit of fallout with these colours. You might want to start by doing your eyes first. I want to make, I don't know if you can see here, we've had a little bit of like a lighter purpley pinky red kind of shade, so I'm going to go in with the shade Mod, which is this one right here. It's really, really gorgeous. So I'm just going to go in with a slightly smaller brush, this one here. Sorry, it's dirty from my trousers, pajama bottoms, but that's just from the black earlier, so I'm just going to go in with that, tap it off, quite a bit fallout, and I'm going to blend that. I'm going to really focus that in the crease, sort of outer crease, and just blend that in, just so I can just add a little bit more depth to that purpley shade. Go in with this brush again. I'm not going to add anything else to the brush, just what's already on it, and just blend, 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 blend. The shade from this palette we're going to go in with is this shade Punk, and this is black. Tarte blacks are some of the most pigmented like black eyeshadows. Like, they're not a light grey, they are black. I want to press into that crease, onto the sort of outer corner of the lid, and I do kind of want to press it in sort of around to this whole area, and then we can really blend that out. So as you can see on this side, really bring that out and then blend that in. I want to sort of bring that in about a third of the lid, not all the way in, because we don't want to cover the lid. We want to leave the lid a little bit, tiny bit lighter, so we're just going to blend that in with a fluffy brush and the shade Drama again. Pack a little bit on and really blend that in with the black and blend that out on the crease. I'm going to go back in with that, and I'm going to mix that with a little bit of that Mod shade, just sort of back and forth, sort of focus that on the crease a little bit there, just to really soften it up. I tried out this BH Cosmetics Weekend Vibes Blueberry Muffin palette, and I'm obsessed. So one of the colours I wanted to go in with, I mentioned it in my previous one, was this shade here, this glittery shade, which is Hot and Fresh, and I also want to go in with this Baker's Dozen shade, which has got this like purpley sort of, looks like a night sky, which is really pretty, purpley glitter in the black. So I'm going to take some of that on my finger, and I'm going to go all over the lid with that. I find my finger's the best way to apply it, but that's just the way I like to apply my shimmers. So I'm just going to pack that on all over the lid, and then slightly into where we've blended that black as well, because we want an all over shimmer. As you can see, that is a little bit lighter, that shade, because we're going to go in with this Hot and Fresh glitter, that shade there. I'm just going to again take that on my finger, nice good swirl, is so pigmented, and I'm just going to pat that on top the lid. Go in with this fluffy brush again, not adding anything onto that, and I'm just gonna literally sweep that on the outer corner and just ensure that everything's blended, there's no silver poking out or anything, and we're looking pretty matching, so that's really good. So the final shade, just to ensure that everything's all smooth around the edges, I'm going to go in with the shade Fluffy, which is this really, really light peach kind of neutral shade. I'm just going to tap it on this brush, literally a tiny bit, because I just want to gently just brush this over the outer edges, just to ensure everything is really, really blended. Light hand. Using, as usual, I'm going in with my Rimmel London Exaggerate eyeliner. It's this one here, and we're just going to create a dramatic wing. I'm going to try and get them to match, but do I ever? Questionable. I'm going to go in with mascara is gorgeous. I feel like this video is a mess. I think I'm a mess today. I'm a bit of a mess. With this shade Vamp again on the lower lash line, and I'm just going to run that underneath. Next I'm going to go in with the Drama shade on the same brush. I'm just going to sort of focus that on this outer corner and sort of just blend it in sort of 2/3 of the way, but really focus it on there just to really deepen up that. Straight in with Punk, this black shade. I'm really going to tap that off because I don't want a lot of fallout. This is the Tartiest gel, oh it's a gel eyeliner. And I'm just going to pop that on the waterline. There you go, I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to pop some mascara on the lower lashes, and then the eyes are done and we can move on to the face. I'm going to go in with this Barbados Babe Misslyn bronze, and I'm just going to really focus that on the lower cheekbones and sort of blend up a little bit, but nothing too dramatic. This is the Chocolate Cherry Truffle palette, this one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a couple of taps of the darker shade, and I'm just going to pop that just on the high points of my cheeks, just on there, and I'm really going to blend that. Next up, highlighter. Obviously, what is the MUA? It's like £3 and they're amazing. Shimmer highlight powder. This one's in the shade Pearlescent Sheen. Just having a moment, don't mind me. Maybe a little bit too much, a bit too forward, sorry, well done. That's fine. More blend. More blend. Honestly though, if you've not tried out these highlighters, you need to. They are some of the best you can buy, and they are drugstore. Oh, shiny. Okay, I need to stop adding highlighter, but I can't. Not just this one. This is a BH Cosmetics brush, Weekend Vibes number 6. I'm just going to take some of this. I'm going to go on my brow bone. I'm going to put some of that in the inner corner as well. And I feel like with a smoky eye, I know you meant to do one or the other, but I feel smoky eye with red lips is just gorgeous. So I'm going to go in with this NYX lip liner. This is the professional NYX makeup lip pencil in the shade Hot Red. So I'm just going to line my lips with this. Okay, so also kind of fill my lips in with that as well, just to help the lipstick stay. This is quite a wet formula lipstick, but it's so pigmented and it looks so beautiful, I don't care. It's the Yves Saint Laurent lipstick Rouge something, the name's come off. It's this one, and it's Yves Saint Laurent, and it's hello. It's normally clear, you can tell what colour lipstick I wear. This is the Lipcote, just stuff that you pop on your lips and it makes your lipstick stay all day, and it makes it last a bit longer. It does last a long time, and it just sort of sets it in place. Then I'm going to go in with some setting spray. I'm going to go in with my Iconic London setting spray Prep Set Glow in the original shade. I'm just going to set my face with this. And this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you recreate it, drop a comment and a picture below. We'd all love to see and tell you how beautiful you are. But yeah, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you did enjoy today's video. And I'll see you all very soon. Bye.